Leave the volume now. Because we don't want it to overfill.
Yes.
That volume is.
I use it in my IT place now. It's especially the
first one. Wow. The first one. So the clear side, low one, the both sides. So please don't make mistake.
because the light will pass through that.
Pass through that place. So. Then, once you are pushing it,
60 gig local.
internal storage. If you have laptop, you just transfer that 13 gig.
The blank to get
the blank is there.
No, so I think shaking more.
The blank is
there.
there.
So my phone laptop share.
This one now.
0.001. It's still 0.
Zero. Just put it at 0.
Maybe it's impurities that made it that one pop up. Abi?
Jesus that I know, you say no for me.
So we pour it back.
And immediately we have to plug the graph.
You can't do it at the quad size. You can't do it at the quad size.
And then laptop in $1.
Show me. Maybe yes.
I don't think I have Excel.
So
You stop Java Excel.
I should have old what?
You go download it.
You download. But the first one is too big much. I know Microsoft. They want you to pay for everything.
You don't have to pay for this.
You're pointing to the covers now.
Microsoft for you to download their
When you
app.
point to covers.
On laptop.
Please be monitoring this thing. I
Please,
want to
I'm
be
watching
arranging
this.
like this.
This
Or
one.
checking arrange it like this.
From there.
Zero delay. So that I can pour it back to this one. So then the next one. Add this here.
What do you want, right?
Huh?
Get a call.
No, I want to design the remaining.
The Moldova Lucy Jade.
So
0.014.
I was 0.2 now.
No,
only approximate. Yo, 0.5.
No, I mean that for like the BSc.
yes,
0.2.
0.2.
0.014.
You don't have to approximate it. You don't know my one phone.
More plotting graph. Specialty bro.
On laptop.
You have many specialties.
On laptop, my plus graph.
You don't too.
Joe myself. Joe,
I
won't lie, I don't remember.
I've done it over and over.
And this machine, they allow us to use it.
No, don't allow it. I use my IT plan. All man shape one any practical. But I use it in
Go buy machine. Go buy machine 1 million.
I use it in my IT place. The one go man issue.
Take this one, Abi.
Jesus, but I you say no for me. For you are close. For you are close. Jesus, but I say no.
The second one. 0.018.
My phone,
Oh, fine.
Difference
Different.
Difference is
Difference is steady.
Oh, yeah, my steady no bad.
But wait, 0.
But it doesn't have to be a
0.014.
straight line, sir.
Yeah.
Calibration curve is not
Can be split.
But oh my 0 kọjá.
O gbọ́dọ̀ gba 0. Kò tí bí a ti bẹ̀rẹ̀
And since the first one is 0.
blank. Ma gba 0 kọjá. Jesus that I know, say no.
So I am now on 0.4.
Mo fẹ́ ọjọ́ ní ká wá kí ní dọ́sẹ̀ntì sí group náà lé láàrin real estate àti SU.
Ṣé you be there? I will not be there.
Fill the covers.
You be there.
I want to be there. I want to be there.
The handle is on the quad side.
I'm ọkọ tí a fẹ́ sọ.
I'll go with Mayan.
I want to be there.
Yeah, what you want here straight.
It's a section. Mariam, the section of green.
There should be lecture free day tomorrow now.
0.4. The first one. 0.026.
026. 1826.
That's 0.4 and this is 0.026.
615 or 620.
615. 615 now.
Be am confirm. Come on, lo gbé ọmọ before show. Yes now. Me, I don't even want any.
Wait, it's 7. Oh, but to buy 7 by my bar 14 yellow. Yeah.
27 now. Okay. You want to stand by now?
It's stand by 27.
27. Okay, one way there. Why am I going to waste time? You guys are cooking. Carefully. Pour it back. So I take the next.
So she said we should be putting it down first.
Say again.
We have to put this feet down.
What
Put this feet down.
This one?
Let me show you how to use the vortex mixer. Continue what you're doing.
Okay, we don't to vortex this one, but that one
The other one will
vortex and also check this.
Well, this one is pure. It's just pure protein.
Yes.
That's the standard.
Okay.
It's pure protein. It's bovine serum albumin.
I guess so.
So this is the vortex mixer.
The
This is
vortex
a box. I
mixer.
said 2 tubes. Tubes. These are the tubes. This one you're using are tubes.
The covers are here. The covers
This
are
one,
here.
as I'm using are tubes.
It really made you. Then the covers
These
are
are the
here.
ones I'm calling tubes.
Two.
Okay,
Wait.
Something will ball but if you're increasing it.
Just stand by now.
That's the door.
Please, when you are done, don't forget to switch off UPS and the extension box.
Yes, sir.
But you like taking your time. How is your body?
No, my leg. I'm
Your leg.
dragging it.
And that's it.
Carry
Is it the
I'm
football?
Yes.
Well, I don't think football is for you.
No, I've played it for a long time. I've played since 3 years.
So this is the vortex mixer. So it's already plugged to the extension box. So you switch it on, you can see the green light has come on. This is where you need to adjust the speed. So don't pass 2. 2 is okay. So just put the tubes like this for it to shake. It's just to have this. I was shaking, doing this, shaking vigorously. So it's just to assist, to make it easy for you. So you do like this maybe for about maybe 10 seconds or so. Remove, do the next batch, remove, do the next batch like that till you are done. And you switch this off, and you switch it off like that.
Thank you.
That's one form of massage. That's one form of massage. Guinea.
Make sure you lock the office when you are done with this.
Very well. Thank you. Yeah. 0.6. That's the first 0.6. I know I think
0.03. So. Shall lens emergency.
Oh, Ajay. This one called open.
Yeah.
Open off.
Open off. But the other one is still okay.
Is it though?
It's 650.
650, abi? So, I want to work with because 620. I don't want a situation where.
So you have to find the average. Okay, it's the average you find. So somebody can go and maybe tell me about you have your laptop around.
Yeah, I'll work with
So you'll be plotting it while they continue with the samples. So that you will know if you have a good curve or not. If it passes the origin, fine. If it does not, you have to repeat the BSc again. Okay. I pray so. But it's the average that you find.
Yes, sir. I want to chemical at the If you are declaring
The
that
curve will pass through the center.
Yes.
There's no negative value. No?
Calibration. This thing.
I don't
Since
know.
it starts from 0, it's supposed to pass through it.
àti pé chemical kan so ó máa ṣe.
If anything even goes wrong, the BS is 2 minutes now. Are you
No,
even
it's not even go wrong.
It's not go wrong.
Àti trash one be ẹsẹ̀ tẹ́lẹ̀. That one that will not
Bad
freeze.
up all over.
So mi ò fẹ́ ní. Mohammed, this is your principle. Follow your principle now. Principle of turning upside down, quickly drain that. Okay, so we have it on the quad side. So I'm taking the next 0.6 now, the next one.
Àwọn ìjọba ìwé ìbẹ̀lẹ̀ pariwo mọ́ píntì.
Ṣé láàárọ̀?
Funny.
Mo sọ fún staff pa ilé tàbí
Go.
mo sọ fún ẹ. Mo sọ pé mi ò gbọ́.
She thought she should probably say it.
Because what she do, maybe we ourselves will not ask. Well, we'll be free that you.
Láti yọ
Original sample.
Wọ́n lè rò pé wọ́n ti sọ bí àtọ̀lé mind wọn lọ́ti sọ.
516.
Who are going around?
Challenges.
Challenges.
It's a cough now.
Only
That's
padà
true.
wálẹ̀.
Máa padà wálé.
Oh yeah. Go change it. So otherwise you won't change. No one will change.
So which means we are going to like it to be freehand sketch if we are going to use paper. You can make it pass through the center.
You can reverse place it on paper.
Yeah, you can put it on paper, but you're trying to get the kiloton thing. It's not the concentration of this stuff, of the sample. It will not be perfect on paper.
Okay.
So the next sample. 0.8.
Wọ́n ṣe rò pé a lè lọ real estate yẹn gan náà.
We won't because tomorrow.
Tomorrow now, by 10.
We don't have to know.
Calculation free, kí wọ́n sí wáyé.
This is antioxidant assay. What type of assay is this?
Protein.
Protein determination. Okay.
Oh yeah.
Why are we doing protein determination in our analysis?
Say again.
Why are we doing protein determination in our analysis?
We are doing protein determination to get whether the
Active enzymes.
antibodies are still much active.
The antibiotics.
Okay.
Antibodies in it, whether they're still active.
How does that now relate to testicular dysfunction?
No, now this very one now. This what do you call it? The enzymes that are affected. Are you gonna the antibodies, the enzymes and everything that are affected with the activity now will determine whether the something actually reduce them. Are you gonna or
You compare each group.
compared to each group? How far to really affect one?
Okay.
And
This is the
we
work
noted this one.
like
What is
this.
called a different
Like this is the work.
1.023. We are changing it to 3.
I don't show you.
So I return it to this one.
I can't believe this laptop is 10th generation now. Yeah, it looks very old. A laptop. Come on, one push I am.
Ilé tí mo tẹ̀ fẹ́ ra àwọn ló máa ń ní fingerprint bí
Ah.
960k àbí kí wọ́n rí.
Buy just buy simple laptop.
Yeah, no,
You know I've
yeah.
told you.
You want to use for special something?
Just buy stuff that you can use
code.
even for learning after. That won't be too expensive. That won't be too.
Maybe talk about to be coding.
Ìyẹn tiẹ̀ ju ti coding lọ bí wọ́n ṣe animation àbí video editing.
Or game.
Those ones are
Yeah, I
quite
don't want
power.
to learn. I have video editing.
Like my own.
Yeah, that's true. Consider them if you are going to use it eventually in the future for things like that. So you consider it when you're getting one.
The next 0.8.
That's why I'm reading the IT. They are using almost the same laptop.
All of them.
HP, yes, and it's all these fingerprints. Those laptops are crazy, man. This fingerprint laptop. But more will press more calling now and assist.
Yeah. The next 0.0 that is 0.048.
Thank you.
Where is it? 0.048. Like what do you call it? Okay.
I don't really believe in buying things you don't need. If you need something, you should buy
You don't
it.
need it.
What's the part that was
Or
okay?
something you know you will eventually need.
Yeah, right. What's the part that was okay?
Yeah, okay. Okay.
Because we are still going to get the average.
No, the two.
Average here might assist curve here. Because a day to better new room. My body is okay there. Average here, my body.
Okay. I think you
Average
check
of the
that.
two.
Average of two more and be
Average
center,
of two.
center.
So we should change it to 4.7, eh? What do you call it? 4.7. Any of our antibiotics to Professor Ramoy. Making the attending. So I'm sure you don't overfill it. Overfill the covers. So that it will not point to the machine. 0.084. Remove off.
5.
0.85. What did you 5? 0.085 of the observance. So we are progressing. We are progress. We'll pull it back. So what do you guys suggest now? We should be praying and be bringing it on. If we are preparing, eh? Or you guys want to handle this part?
It can be very faster now. And then we have to flood this one.
Since we are not sure of the arrangement now, fast. Are you gonna now?
We just to do the choice, yes.
Group 1 mat ready. Are you gonna once group 1
ready?
We'll just be noting down the minutes. Are you gonna voters? So
Prepare for
the process, you know, those samples are plenty. That is why is considering
94.
94. That is why is considering division of labor.
Yeah, you got to my pain here. If you are trying to put ourselves in just one thing,
so let's finish. After this one now,
this is 130.
Toby is doing the curve. Are you gonna? Toby will get us the curve to know that.
Because
this BSA, Loma different from and Yoda Camille. So Toby will do the curve for us. Oh yeah. 0.060.
Use your camera for 20 minutes.
We do 20 minutes. We vote. After voting, we do. Okay.
That's the last one. 60. 59. 60.
I bring the statistics. Yeah, I'm coming.